welcome to JTV's Jewelry Care and Repair Series. My name's John Brooks and I'm one of the jewelers here at JTV. Today's lesson is how to clean a diamond ring. Now girls, you know with all that hairspray and gel and perfume, it gets up under that ring and it doesn't sparkle anymore. Well, diamonds are a girl's best friend and you don't treat your ring that way. Now, what's the best way to clean it? Well, there's a couple of different ways. One way is with a toothbrush and warm soapy water, but the one thing that you can't get to is the back of the ring, and the back of the diamonds is where you really get all the flash from. Now, another way is with a polishing cloth, but that's really only going to get the top of the ring. Now, the absolute best way is with an ultrasonic cleaner. Now, for those of you that don't know what an ultrasonic cleaner is, this machine operates through high-frequency sound waves. And basically what it does, it has a scrubbing action, and that knocks the dirt off of the bottom of the ring and makes it look sparkly again. So what I'm going to do is turn this thing on, and you're going to hear the wave action in motion. There you go. Now, for the cleaner that I have in here is actually a commercial grade, and we use that in the shop. You can actually use a diluted solution of Mr. Clean with ammonia. That works perfectly, and most of your jewelry stores are probably carrying that right now. So let's go ahead and drop this ring in here. Now the ring itself looks like it's quite clean, but once this drops in the ultrasonic, you really see how much dirt was actually under that. So let's put it on a hanger here, and we'll drop this in. There we go. Now look at the clouds of dirt coming off of there. Whose ring was this anyway? It looks like they worked in a coal mine. Crikey, what a mess. Okay, I think that's probably about done. Let's have a look. Well, what a difference. That really looks good. Now, what we really need to do now is just rinse it under the faucet, get it nice and clean, let it lay out overnight perhaps on a cloth or some paper towels, and it's good to go and wear out on the town tonight. Now, one thing I would suggest before putting this into the ultrasonic is checking the stones to see if you have any loose ones. The sound waves that come off of this are very potent, and they are quite susceptible to losing stones once in there, and you would have to bring your piece of jewelry back to the jeweler to have that repaired. So I would just go around and touch each stone just to see if it wiggles any. And these look like they're probably okay. And there we go, quite simple. Thanks again for joining us today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to check in with JTV's YouTube channel. We have a lot of other videos, a lot of interesting topics, a lot of good information. We'll see you again soon.